Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and instantly create a coloring book that you can sell online on sites like Amazon, KDP, or Etsy. Extremely fast. These sell like hotcakes. And I have a brand new piece of software that I just developed that's going to help you do it very, very fast. Now, before, you'd have to go to Canva. Nothing against Canva. I love Canva. However, it's time consuming. You've got to create your copyright page, your test color page, then start dropping the images, leaving a blank page between the images. And it's, as you can see, it's a long process. Not with this tool. This tool allows you to do it in several different languages: English, Spanish, French, German, and Japanese. We're going to stick with English right now. Very simple. You just click Next. You choose a font that best fits you. I'm going to go with Poppins Bold. Change the font size. The minimum is 17 pixels. We always want large print when it comes to coloring books. Click Next. Yes, do I want a copyright and title page? Let me name it. Very cute Little Town coloring book. That's the name of this coloring book. And I'm going to add a title image. This reads not only PNG and JPEG, but it also reads web images as well. Your name, let's put in our author's name, Holly Molly. Write that. Very good. Next, do I want a test color page? Yes, I do. Do I want to enumerate my pages? Yes, I do. Click Next. Now add your images. Okay, I want to click all these images here. Click Open. Click Next, and I'll be taken to an image where I can preview my images. Now, if I want, we can go ahead and add some text under the images. Perfect for those coloring book kids books. Or if you want to add some poems, if you want to name the streets, let me name some of these streets. Strawberry Town. Let's name this one Blueberry Town. Or if you don't want to, you just skip and just click Create PDF. It's up to you. Let's just name these two, okay? And I'm going to click Create PDF, and I'm going to name it Cute Town. That's one of the niches I found on Amazon. Click Save, and that's it. Within a couple of minute or two, you're going to have a complete product that you can sell on the world's biggest buyer traffic platform and various other different free buyer traffic platforms out there. Not only Amazon. That's not the only game in town. Wait 1 second, and it's going to pop up, and you're going to see the completed product. Okay, it's done. I'm going to go into my the section here, and I'm going to open up my PDF, and look what I got for you. I have my my title. I have the page here. I have the copyright with my author name. I have the test color page. I have the first page. As you can see, it's numerated. I have a Strawberry Town. Of course, I can increase the size on this font here. And then we have the blank page. Always when you create a coloring book, you want a blank page between the coloring pages. Really important. Here's my next page, Blueberry Town, and so forth, all the way down. This book is, how long this book is? 46 pages long. Beautiful. As you can see, the images are perfectly made. Everything looks great. It's this easy now, okay? I hope you like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you want more information about Nurie Creator, that's the name of this piece of software, Nurie Creator. Check out the link below for more info. Okay, be good. Take care and have a great day. Ciao.